back to another GingerInJapan Paydirt review. I do Paydirt reviews every Saturday morning. This one's Goldn Paydirt Jackpot Paydirt 2-pound bag. I purchased directly from their website. It was $34.99 plus free shipping, so a total of $34.99. Let me get this all classified up. Stay tuned for the panning. Hi, we're back, and this is the plus 10. And as always, not expecting too much in the plus 10, but you just never know. Sometimes some of the finer gold slips through my classification or gets stuck to the rocks. Looks like one nice picker right there. All right, let me get this out, dried up, and back with the plus 20. Stay tuned. Okay, we are back, and this is the plus 20. As always, please leave a comment. I read them all. I typically answer them all. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can receive the notification. I do Paydirt reviews every Saturday morning. Or Saturday morning where I'm at. It might not necessarily be Saturday in the States or wherever else you are in the world. If you have a favorite Paydirt that you would like me to review, also leave that down in the comments. None of my videos are sponsored. I pay for all these Paydirts out of my own pocket. And I tell you exactly how much I pay for them and exactly how much I get, by weight, how much the gold is worth on the day that I pan it. And I let you come up with the opinion if it's something you want to purchase or not. A couple pieces right up in there. Let me finish getting this panned out, and we'll be back with the minus 20. Stay tuned. All right, we are back, and this is the minus 20. Obviously the most material in the 2-pound bag, probably 1 3/4 pounds of it right here. Make sure it gets all good and wet. No dry spots. Good slurry. Yeah, gotta change my water out soon. down to the black sands and let's see what we get. Starting to see some colors show up. Definitely want to make sure I don't swirl it too hard and lose any, but you can see the colors all right there in the pan. Let me finish panning this up, get it dried, and we'll get it weighed up. Stay tuned. All right, we are back, and that is the final weight, 0.188 grams. Let me get this calculated on how much the value is. Stay tuned.